So, welcome back everyone. So, quick tutorial kung paano gamitin yung V8 Ace. So, ito yung V8 Ace ko. As you can see here, may tatlong wire siya. Yung isa sa condenser is yung microphone. Yung isa naman sa headset at saka yung live one, ito naman yung wire para i-connecta mo siya sa iyong pang streaming na phone. Ito. So, isasalpak ko to ngayon dito sa ginagamit kong phone. So, let us try. Okay, tatlong wire lang to. Yan, microphone. Sa headset. At saka yung wire sa live one para sa ating phone na pang live streaming. So, itong phone na ginamit ko sa pang record, ito yung pang live streaming ko na phone. So, let us try. Okay? So, as you can see here, I have another phone. Itong cellphone na ito, siya yung magpo-produce ng music. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko lang is on ko lang tong V8 Ace ko. Ayan. Tapos, ang gagawin dito is on mo din yung i-connect mo siya as a Bluetooth music. Ayan. I-connect natin yung ating it says here. Connected na siya dito sa ating V8. Unlike sa ginagamit natin on na V8 Ace is dalawang wire. Ito ngayon is Bluetooth na siya. Kailangan Bluetooth na yung nakakonekta dito. So, let us try to use it first. So, as you can see here, nakakonekta na siya. Lahat na siya nakakonect. So, meron na siyang makikita mong mga ilaw-ilaw dito. It means it's working properly. So, let's try the voice over. Tapos, magpapasound tayo ng maiksi lang. Maiksing sound lang. Ayan siya. Alright. So, yan lang po. Ganun lang ka-easy mag-connect ng V8 Ace. Kailangan yung pang-produce mo ng music is i-Bluetooth mo lang siya dito sa V8 Ace mo para gumana. Unlike sa V8 Ace na ginagamit natin is kailangan dalawang wire. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, it's 5:58 in the morning. Hello 8 viewers out there. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Samuel Perez, welcome here. Hello Liano, hello Wayne Baker, welcome, welcome. Thank you everyone for following me. Thank you so much for dropping by. Sana all. Father ng guys, baka naman. Hello Simal and Barchi, welcome. Hello everyone, welcome here. Thank you so much for joining. We are here till 8 o'clock in the morning. I hope everyone will stay and have a great day ahead.